Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here today. It's Monday, May 3rd. We've made it to May, our last month of the school year. I can't believe it. Oh, wow. That feels like a big deal. Hey, can you please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance? Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Hey, you might be looking at the screen and noticing what our virtue is this week. Our virtue says truthfulness. Truthfulness, kind of a mouthful. I'm going to ask you a question, then you can pause me for a second and talk about it with your class, and then bring me back so I can talk to you some more. My question is this: what does it mean to tell the truth? What does that mean, to tell the truth? Okay, you can pause me and have a quick chat with your class. What do you think that means? Okay, I'm back. Hopefully people in your class said something like, to tell the truth means you tell what really happened. You don't add anything into it. You don't take anything away. You don't leave things out. You tell exactly what happened. Sometimes you hear about this when you've made a mistake, like it's really important to tell the truth. We're going to talk about that this week, like when should you tell the truth. The other thing we're going to talk about this week is how people will trust you if you tell the truth, if they know you're going to tell the truth all the time. And then I think we're going to try and get in before the end of the week a little bit of other information about truth and truthfulness, because sometimes at school we're trying to study things that are true, like true for everybody, like some science facts instead of like an opinion. So that's another way that we use truthfulness. I'm going to have you talk about this quick question this morning just to get the ideas flowing. Let's see if you can have a discussion in your class and start thinking of, when is it important to tell the truth? Okay? And you're probably thinking always. Yes, it's always important to tell the truth. But let's list off some times that you think it's especially important to tell the truth. Have a great day, Achieve.